Hey guys, Root65 here, and here's something that I bought offline like 3 months ago actually, and it literally took 3 months to get here. This is the Robosaur made by Jia-Qi. This was in an auction, and I won it for about $40 plus like 30 some shipping, which was kind of pricey but well worth it. He works, but the issue is that I think the spring is broken. That was the body up or something, but he does have some sort of issue with there's a loud grinding noise and his head doesn't turn. But overall everything works. So here we turn him on. You might say the head doesn't rotate. See, it doesn't rotate, but he can swing from side to side. It's kind of delaying on everything due to the fact that not everything can be moved. Yeah. So I'm going to be taking them apart and seeing what's wrong, so stay tuned for more. Oh yeah, let me also, well, he has a split gear for one of the legs. And there you have it.